Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Welby local and long-distance movers near me. Getting one of the local movers Welby has on it to handle your local relocation is better than doing it yourself. With their experience, you are saved from unnecessary stress and risks. The movers are professional, and with them, your belongings are handled with professionalism and care. Welby Local TM Movers understands Welby's road network to make good decisions on which routes are safer and faster during your relocation. They know how the town's regulations affect relocation, and they know how to navigate it. In cases where challenges specific to relocating within Welby come up, they can easily handle it because of their experience. With long-distance moves, we understand the unique challenges and requirements that come into play. Our team plans and coordinates every detail, from packing to transportation, to ensure a smooth journey to your new destination. We carefully pack your items using high-quality materials, taking extra care to protect them during the long haul. We create a customized moving plan that suits your needs, ensuring efficient coordination and timely delivery. Regarding the safety of your belongings, we prioritize their well-being throughout the entire long-distance move. Our diligent team employs secure packing techniques and uses reliable trucks with advanced safety features. We also provide best pricing options tailored to your budget without compromising our service quality. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Welby Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.